What do you think, Rocky? Was that nice? Hmm? Yeah? What did you think of that? I know, you're a good boy. What you doing? What you doing? Give me a kiss. Yeah, you give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. What you doing? Say peekaboo. Yeah. Say wow. Wow. Rocky. Wow. Peekaboo. Say wow. Ooh, you're funny. Wow. What, you trying to steal a cracker? Hmm? What? What? Well, you're not going to get him like that, you silly bird. And they say you parrots are smart. Huh? Go get one. Look. Look. Like this. There. There. Now get one. Oh, what'd you do that? Oh, now you know how. Yum. Hi, Rocky. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you shy? Oh, you're hiding. Where'd you go? Peekaboo! You're so cute. Rocky, do you want to take a shower? A shower? Uh-oh. What are you doing? Say hi, say hi, Charlie. Charlie. Say wow. Ooh, wow. Oh. If you're happy and you know it, click your beak. If you're happy and you know it, click your beak. If you're happy and you know it, then your beak will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, click your beak. Yeah. What are you doing? What, Kevin? You're crazy. Say, you're crazy. You're crazy. Charlie, or Rocky, Rocky, come here. Rocky, come here. Come here. Peekaboo, say come here. What you doing? Want to take a shower? Step up. Okay. Here. Step up. Oh, you're bad. Step up. Oh, you're bad. Come here. I'll get you. I'll get you. I'll get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Want to take a shower? You're so silly. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Hi. Come here. What are you doing? What are you doing? Do you want to take a shower?